Hi, it's me, Keith, back again to do another video. Today, we're going to flock the drawers and the bottom of this 3-heart box that I did in my last video. We're going to be using cardinal red flocking and Flock It undercoat adhesive. And this is a wine color, so it matches pretty well what the flock color is. So, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to brush a coat on the inside of the box, and I also do the back sides too. When I do this, I just brush up. I do it all freehand. If you brush up strokes, you don't get nothing on the edges. But just in case if you do get something on the edges, I have a paper towel here with a little bit of paint thinner on it to clean up any messes that I make before I blow the flock on. Because you don't want it to stick to anything you don't want it to stick to. Okay, I got it all brushed out. It's ready to blow the flock on. So here we go. First I do the back. It's pretty simple and easy to do. Just put enough on there to cover it. Then the inside. Put it on heavy. Make sure it covers everything. Sticks to the paint. I use oil-based paint because it stays wet longer and gives you more time to get the flock on. And allows for a better job. And there you go. There's the back and the insides. There's one finished. 2 more to go, then the bottom of the box. So let's get after it. Okay, I got everything flocked now. After you flock them, you got to take an air hose, blow them out really lightly. Don't want to damage anything. Then I take a thinner rag and look for any places on here I might have got something over the edge, just to clean it up a little bit. Sure does make a nice job. That one. They look pretty good. The more you do it, the better you get at it. You don't get paint all over everything. Just got to be careful. Yep. It came out real nice. And on the main box, I always do the bottom. Then when you have it sitting on a table, you know, it won't scratch the furniture. And helps out a lot. Well, that's it for the flocking. I hope you guys learned something, and hope to see you again on my next video. Thanks for watching.